Alright guys, what is up and welcome back to another Octane Labs video. So today we're back to one of our customers that we worked on a couple weeks ago, and we're back working on his Buell. So this Buell is full carbon, gorgeous bike, and we're doing a couple installs on it. And we're also doing a headlight install on this bike right here, a Victory. Alright, so here are the parts that we're installing on the Buell. So we have a oil guard right here. We have a radiator guard right here, and then here's the headlight that we're putting on the Victory. But yeah, on the Buell right here, if you look down there, the oil cooler is located at the bottom, and then there's two radiators on either side right there of the exhaust system. So the top guard for the radiator is going to go right there, and then there's going to be a guard at the bottom for the oil cooler. So let's go ahead and get this bike prepped. I think we're going to have to take the lower fairings off and get ready to install these guards right here. So let's go ahead and unpackage these and I'll show you what they look like. Alright, so I got all the parts unboxed. So here is what the oil guard looks like. Here's the radiator guard. And then this is the LED headlight for the Victory. Jeremiah's down there taking the bottom belly pan off. Alright guys, so we got the side fairings off. There's like 10 bolts that hold, like 12 bolts on each side. Look at all that hold the side fairings in. They're like everywhere, they're like hidden, so it was kind of took a minute to take off, but we got it. So now the radiator on both sides is exposed, as you can see right here, and we have all the axes at the bottom to mount the oil cooler guard. So yeah, now we're gonna go ahead and grab these things and start test fitting them and see how they fit on there. So I'll show you once they're on there. So the oil guard is on. Time to throw the radiator cover on. Alright guys, so check this out. The radiator guards and the oil guards are all installed. We're ready to put the fairings back on, and the Buell's pretty much done, so let's get it. Alright guys, so Jeremiah's finishing up the LED headlight install on the Victory. About to snap the final piece in. Oh, look at that. High beam, low beam. That looks way brighter than the stock yellow one. Lights done on this Victory, looks sick. Now we're gonna finish up bolting up the lower fairings on the Buell, and we're gonna give you guys a little cold start of the Buell. This thing's so loud. Alright guys, so the Buell and the Victory have been completed. We installed the LED headlight on this Victory bike, and then the Buell, if you look down here, we did the radiator guards and we did the oil cooler guard. But we're gonna give you a quick startup, guys. This bike is insane. The sound on it is crazy. Octane Labs guys, hit us up for any kind of motorcycle services. We got you.